If you're thinking about starting a business, then you've probably done a little research on various business models. Maybe you've done so much that your eyes are bugging out and all these business models are becoming a blur. There are so many business models to choose from, including setting up an affiliate business, drop shipping physical products, or even offering services. And that's just a teeny tiny tip of the business model iceberg. But there's one business that stands head and shoulders above the rest. You know what it is? It's creating and selling digital products. I'm talking ebooks, apps, videos, and other products that your customers can access online. Let me tell you why this is so awesome. First off, you're selling your own products rather than someone else's products. The big benefit here is that you make more money selling your own product rather than sharing in someone else's profits. Not only do you get the front-end profits, but you get the customer mailing list and 100% of the back-end profits, and that's pretty sweet. A second benefit is that you don't even have to create these products yourself. If you're not a good writer but you want to sell ebooks and courses, no biggie. Just find a good ghostwriter to flesh out your ideas. If you're not a programmer but you want to create an app, just bring your design ideas to a good architect and coder who can turn your app into a reality. Want to sell videos but you don't know a lick about video production? Again, no problem. There are a whole lot of people who'd be happy to create high-quality videos for you. In other words, just because you're selling a certain type of product doesn't mean you need to create it yourself. So don't let that be a stumbling block on your path to success. A third benefit is that your overhead costs are very low and your profit margins are high. When you're selling digital products, you may have some product creation costs, but you only pay these one time. You never have the ongoing production costs like those who sell physical products. And you don't need to spend a single cent in physical storage, order fulfillment, or shipping. That's because everything is in digital form, so your customers can download their order instantly after they complete the purchase. And that brings us to the fourth benefit, which is that a business model selling digital goods doesn't tie you down to your business. If you're packing and shipping physical products, then you're often tied down to your business. You often need to stay nearby so your business keeps running smoothly. When you sell digital products, you can operate your business from anywhere in the world. You want to go on a 2-month trek across the country in a motorhome? Go for it, because you can run your business just as well on the road as you can from home as long as you can get Wi-Fi or a signal from your phone. In other words, you can leave home for days, weeks, or even months at a time because you can carry your entire business inside a laptop. Talk about super convenient. As you can see, there are a lot of benefits to running a business selling digital products. It really is one of the best businesses in the world because you can run it from almost anywhere in the world, there's a high profit margin, and it's more fun than a barrel of monkeys. So let me tell you about some of the different types of products you can create and sell in your digital business. You may sell just one type, or you may even sell all of them, so listen up. First, there are text products. This includes ebooks, reports, home study courses, and even multi-part courses delivered by email. It also includes things like checklists, gear lists, and worksheets. Another category includes the audio products. These might be podcasts, interviews, how-to talks, and similar products. They might even be recorded teleseminars. Next up, we have video products. This could be anything from a single 3-minute how-to video all the way to a multi-part in-depth video course. The fourth category of digital products includes apps, software, and other tools. Here you might find software as a service platforms, mobile phone apps, and desktop software. Other tools might include mind maps, calculators, and spreadsheets. The final main category of digital products includes live events. This includes webinars and teleseminars, both of which can be recorded and turned into products. You might also include consulting and coaching in the category of live events. While these types of activities might be considered services, many people who are selling information products also sell consulting and coaching on the back end as a premium high-ticket offer. Tell you what, you won't ever get bored selling digital products because there's just so many different types to offer. What you need to do is pick a niche, find out what types of digital goods these folks are buying already, and then offer something similar. So what I'd encourage you to do next is check out the recommended resources section of this site where you'll get more information and tools that will help you start up your business selling digital products, help you with the whole product creation process, and start selling your wares. Check it out.